Look, as far as China is concerned in the international politics and international globally, uh, China has lost any credibility in any shape and form, in the business, in the scientific side, in the military side. Their actions are condemned throughout the world. India had the experience of dealing with China since 1962. And we should not forget that once they started and this uh, put the seeds into the land, it's always difficult to take them out. I feel that whatever the dispute is, because I'm not there, we just take it from what you tell me, what the media tells us. But one thing is important: the timing is wrong. The way the Chinese people had responded to the Indian soldiers on their land, if they had accused Indian soldiers crossing the line, then probably somebody given them that benefit of the doubt. Yes, Indians have crossed the line. That line of control is disputed, but to attacking the soldiers at this stage, when India very honestly and with the full sincerity have said, look, these so many people, our soldiers has died in this tussle, which is started by China, and I think internationally everybody has accepted it. The whole dispute, present dispute, or the line of control is the issue raised by China. And China is looking for any excuse to take the people's minds away from the virus because they are under attack. That this virus come from China, and everybody has created the consensus on that. And they wanted, and they are isolated. China is isolated in the global market. And that's why they are trying to take the minds away and looking for the markets for there. And I think that I don't know whether this is appropriate or not. Indians need to hit China economically now. If we don't control that, they're like snakes. They will move in and in again and again. We need to stop them and see where it hits them hard. If we, India is a big market for China, and if China is hit by economically, not then totally disassociating themselves, India, cut off any trade deals, any other business deals, then China will consider differently. Now it is attack on Indian democratic systems. It's an attack on India's freedom of movement in their own side, and they are behaving like a big brother. And that's where India need to be quite active and proactive and making sure that they hit China back. Otherwise, we don't want to lose more Indians on our sides and dying their jobs.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন। করোনা সহ যে কোনো রোগীর চিকিৎসায় 24 ঘন্টা খোলা রয়েছে আনন্দলোক হাসপাতাল। ঠিকানা DK 7/3 3rd অ্যাভিনিউ রোড, সেক্টর 2, বিধাননগর, সল্টলেক, কলকাতা। করুণাময়ীর নিকটে অবস্থিত। যোগাযোগ 8335554437 ও 9064959886। ময়লা ফেলছেন? জানেন তো কোন ময়লা কোন বাক্সে ফেলবেন? আপনার পদক্ষেপ, আপনার পরিচয়। গ্রিন সিটি, ক্লিন সিটি।
আমাদের হাসপাতালে হার্টের অসুখের সর্বোত্তম ব্যবস্থা রয়েছে। এখানে হার্ট বাইপাস সার্জারির খরচ মাত্র 85,000 টাকা। এছাড়া এখানে চোখের ছানি ও অন্যান্য অপারেশন, গল ব্লাডার স্টোন, হার্নিয়া, প্রোস্টেট, কিডনি স্টোন, এনজিওগ্রাম, এনজিওপ্লাস্টি, পেসমেকার আপনার সাধ্যের মধ্যে কম খরচে করা হয়। ফোন করুন 9433201242, 8335055437, 8335057771 নম্বরে।
কংক্রিটের এই জঙ্গলে ফিরে আসুক সবুজ ঝড়, বন্ধ করে প্লাস্টিক, পরিবেশ হোক পরিষ্কার। গুটখা বা সিগারেট নিষিদ্ধ, মারণ সেন্সেশন। রূপশ্রীতেও পাশে আছে আসানসোল মিউনিসিপাল কর্পোরেশন। Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.